Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Shell credits for EV charging, full guide step by step clearly. Look for the section dedicated to electric vehicle services. Navigate to the area that offers information on Shell credits. You may need to create a Shell account if you don't have one. Fill in your personal details as prompted, including your name and email address. Choose a secure password for your account. Once your account is set up, log in using your credentials. Locate the Shell Credits program on your dashboard. Select the option to explore available subscription plans. Review the features and benefits of each plan. Choose the plan that best suits your EV charging needs. Proceed to the Payments section. Enter your payment details, ensuring they are accurate. Confirm your subscription to Shell Credits. You should receive a confirmation email shortly after subscribing. Keep this email for your records. Now, you are ready to start using Shell credits for your EV charging. When you arrive at a Shell charging station, use your account information to apply your credits. Enjoy the convenience of charging your electric vehicle with Shell credits. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.